Hello everyone, my name's Paul Doull and I'm from the Foveran restaurant in the Orkney Islands. We're going to be doing a live cooking demonstration today for the Science Festival, which is going to be completely online, a virtual experience for me. So I hope you enjoy what we're going to do. It's in conjunction with the Foraging Fortnight, so we've got some lovely fresh ingredients and some tasty scallops to make a real treat for you today. This oatmeal is a fine pinhead oatmeal, really nutty and tasty. The seaweed is going to complement the oatmeal really well. We've mixed it together to form these little cakes which we're going to fry in the pan, and that'll be the base for the scallop dish. We've got lovely fat hen leaf here along with our chickweed, very vibrant and really nutritious. That's going to form garnish and our lovely oil. The sweet cicely and the rhubarb were an extra addition to the dish today, which only because I've got them growing in the garden. The sweet cicely has really infused the rhubarb with some aniseed sweetness and has really made it quite punchy and gives the dish another dimension. Ingredients and dishes can sometimes be a happen, sometimes they can be planned and more thought of, but sometimes the best dishes are a collaboration of quick last-minute decisions and ideas, and 9 out of 10 times they work. We're going to use these lovely little clover heads as garnish, again a hint of sweetness and some really nice colour, and hand-picked from Margaret's garden in South Ronaldsay, where all these lovely ingredients came from today. I'm pleased with the result and dish today. This is a dish that I would quite happily put on the menu. It's vibrant, it's colourful, it's tasty, nutritious, and I think it would really appeal to tourists to sample more of Orkney's delights.